The man on the right punched the man on the left. The woman punched the man with her left fist. The woman punched the punching bag. The man punched his fist through the water. The fist punched a hole in the paper. The businesswoman punched her work colleague in the face. The goalkeeper punched the ball away. The woman punched her stomach with both her fists. The fighter punched you with her right fist. The boxer punched the punching ball with a red boxing glove. The handyman punched a hole. The stressed man punched the wall. The man punched himself in the face. The businessman punched his fist through the computer. The man punched 2 holes in the paper with a hole punch. The boy practiced punching the punching pads. The boy punched the punching pads. The female boxer hit a punching bag. The female boxer punched a punching bag. The male boxer punched the punching bag with his boxing gloves.